I'm some guy outside.
I'm Ortega.
Today we're going to be replacing the exhaust in this 2021 Ford Bronco.
We installed the Corsa Performance exhaust system, 2.2 liter, 2021 Ford Bronco.
If you want to see how we're doing it, follow along in the video.
This? Come on, Marine. Am I breaking it?
Coming up?
Yeah, it's coming off.
There we go.
Get out of there. Get out of there. That is on there.
I say we get the blowtorch, loosen them up.
Yeah.
I'm holding the exhaust in place with my boot, so the flex pipe up there doesn't flex.
There we go, bitch.
Yeah? Strip it?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yes, sir. Let's see, 1 5/8, so that's like a little bit. This.
Know as much as I do how much they're in. Man. Absolutely. We definitely.
There we go. Just like so.
Close enough.
So 15 millimeters.
15 millimeter. European.
I foresee this being a pain in the ass. Oh, maybe not as much. Should have put this one first, huh?
Probably. Learn from our mistakes.
Here, push it. Ouch. Hold on. Just hold it? Yeah. There we go. Hey! Good old cowboy boot.
Still booting it.
Here, grab it.
Yeah. As we're working our way back, we're keeping all these just hand tight so that we get final fitment. Then we'll come back and do the proper torque specs. Yeah.
That makes sense. But before I put it in there, let me see the instructions.
Install the axle hump in the stock hanger.
Here we go.
Here, let me grab. Yeah, that looks right.
This should go in here.
Oh, yep. Right there at the line.
It's a line?
Yeah, you just hit the line. Perfect. Here, I'll hold. That just slide on?
Yeah.
Perfect.
And that's it. That's the line, right?
Yep.
Like so.
And this is why you want to put your grommet on first, people, with the nut facing down.
But the nuts are always facing down.
The nuts are always facing down. Installing the downpipe, or installing the new downpipe in the back here. We've got the axle hump. We're going to be going off of the driver's side OEM exhaust hanger. So try not to rip that up when you're removing it. If you did, go buy a new one. I wasn't recording.
No. All right, we want to put the hanger on the part first because we've been struggling putting them on when they're on the actual Bronco first. So we're going to do that. There we go. Look at that. Push it just a little bit, and there we go. It's in.
That's what she said.
There's the mark. Oh, right there. Just like so. Look at that.
Corsa recommended your ring clamps be at 45 foot-pounds. So we've got the 3 ring clamps.
That's it. That's it, France. That's it, France.
The rest are just grommets. And then you've got your flange clamps up here. And those are to the spec of TAF. Tight as that sounds. I'm some guy outside. That's Tommy Ortega. If you want to see some more videos and stuff on this build, go check out his Instagram at Tommy Ortega on Instagram. Otherwise, follow along, like, subscribe, comment down below if you enjoy this. What model, make, and year Bronco do you have, or do you want to have? Like me, with a shitbox Cherokee. If you don't like Cherokee stuff, follow along on the page. And remember, if some guy can do it. All right.